ฮัลโหล good evening นะครับ this my farm this shrimp farm นะครับ and lobster this have a fish red snapper, black snapper, and giant channel, and shrimp and lobster. This is my farm in the Mesai. Now sunset view is very good time. It's farmer or lights have the electrics, have the main loads. Very good view. Very long. Allow is very good view. The next time I can make a fishing park here. Open the fishing park and swimming and fishing and shrimp, channel, lobster, yeah, lace grouper, black grouper, and snakehead fish, yeah, and babu, no, okay, it's very good. I like here too much. I love. Over there, the good fish, big fish, yeah. The one day I can open fishing park here. There's car parking, toilet, bathroom, cooking, and cashier here. I can have the open here car over there, the parking. The man, the Thai people, the fishing here. The one day I can open. Thank you so much.